Hello. Today let's take a look at the CF3000. The CF3000 is a fully automatic machine designed to strip and crimp ferrules onto cut wires. To operate the machine, start by selecting the appropriate sleeve feed and cutting blades from the provided kit. Next, install the sleeve feed, cutting blades, and pin. Then, place a color-coordinated reel of ferrules into the sleeve feed. Ensure the first ferrule lines up with a marked position at the end of the sleeve feed. Once everything is set up, plug the machine in and turn it on. Slide the safety cover completely forward to operate the machine. Insert a cut wire into the funnel to activate the strip and crimp function. Make sure to keep the wire in the machine until the operation is complete. Changing to a different wire gauge size is easy. First, retract the safety cover and remove the ferrules from the sleeve feed. Next, remove the dowel pin and pull out the stripping module before taking out the sleeve feed. Choose the new tooling size and install it into the machine, remembering to insert the sleeve feed first. Feed the new ferrules into the feeding insert. Reset the counter if necessary, and slide the safety cover back into the closed position. The CF3000 is now ready to crimp the newly sized ferrules. If you would like more information or wish to schedule an on-site demonstration, please contact your local Phoenix Contact sales representative or visit phoenixcontact.com/US-toolfox. Thank you.